Does 一点 mean 1 o'clock?
Then why does it also mean a little? If this has ever confused you, you are not alone. Hi, I'm Iris. Welcome to 2 Minute Mandarin. How Mandarin is spoken in Taiwan. Yes, 一点 can mean 1 o'clock, but in daily Chinese, it very often means a small degree or amount. 快一点，我们要迟到了。Here, 一点 is about degree, not time. Next one, 稍微. Now let's talk about 稍微. It means slightly, and it is used to soften your tone, especially in a real life situation. 我今天有点累，想稍微休息一下。Here, 稍微 soften the action rest. It means not a long rest, just a small one. Quick tip, in real life you will often hear 稍微 and 一点 used together.
冷气可以稍微关小一点吗？有一点冷。
稍微 softens the tone, and 一点 shows a degree, so they often goes together. So this is not double a little. They do different jobs. The last one, 一点点. Finally, let's make it sound even more friendly. Taiwanese speakers often say 一点点. That extra 点 make you sound more nature and warmer. 你要加糖吗？一点点就好了，谢谢。Quick recap: 一点，稍微，一点点。Try this. Write one sentence using 一点、稍微 or 一点点。I will see you in the comment. Bye.